VidSnatcher 2.0 Pro Editor's Suite Upgrade 02 Software by Todd Gross. Best upsell number 2 of VidSnatcher to instantly unlock royalty-free media libraries and boost your video's value, bring them to life, and blow your clients away with the Pro Editor suite. Benefits. Tap into an unlimited source of high-quality image, video, and music libraries. Media libraries are integrated directly into VidSnatcher 2.0. Access an ever-growing background music library. Unlock in-app URL screenshot import. Very cool feature. 4K rendering quality capability. Boost the value of each video you create. 30-day money-back guarantee. We know you are going to love VS Pro Editor Suite. However, if for any reason you are not satisfied, we will give you a full refund within 30 days of your purchase. VidSnatcher 2.0, the video editor that can help you profit off of your passion, is here. You don't have to speak, it has text-to-speech translation. You can reach audiences around the world in different languages. Yes, it translates languages too. You can record anything, anywhere, anytime with your mobile device. It gets uploaded to the video editor automatically, no matter where you are. It's enabled with screen capture, green screen removal, if you need it. Literally everything and more you could possibly need in an open canvas video editor. It's the perfect tool to create unique and captivating videos to share with others. And if you're more into creating videos for local businesses, you can do that too. This is so versatile and can work for virtually all of your video needs, and it's absolutely perfect for train and explain videos. Why you should get VidSnatcher 2.0. VidSnatcher 2.0 is equipped with mobile recording, so you can record anywhere with any mobile device and have it ready for edit when you're ready to edit. Is equipped with text-to-speech and language translation, making it the first completely open canvas editor. It opens business opportunities around the world and completely crushes language barriers, opening access to markets that were virtually impossible to reach before now. Enables all of us to tap into 2021's fastest growing online video market for years to come. The train and explain market includes commercial license. Easier than ever to use. All at a fraction of the cost to comparable video editors on the market. Just try to imagine having all of these features with mobile recording too, which enables you to record video from any mobile device and have that media automatically sent to your VidSnatcher 2.0 media library, ready for editing. Can you imagine how amazing that would be? VidSnatcher 2.0 review. Features of VidSnatcher 2.0. Easily capture, record, edit, and create the videos you want to share. Capture video anytime, anywhere with new mobile recording capabilities. Complete blank canvas editor for limitless possibilities. Updated user interface for smooth, fast, flexible video editing. Perfect for creating e-learning video courses and tutorials. Jam-packed with must-have video editing features. You don't have to speak since VidSnatcher 2.0 has a built-in text-to-speech engine with language translator. Cloud-based for maximum compatibility on all operating systems. Automatic transfer of mobile recording to your media library. Sell any video you create for 100% profit. Commercial license included. Screen and live voice recording. Unlimited projects at a low one-time fee. You can reach audiences around the world in different languages. Yes, it translates languages too. You can record anything, anywhere, anytime with your mobile device. It gets uploaded to the video editor automatically, no matter where you are. It's enabled with screen capture, green screen removal, if you need it. Literally everything and more you could possibly need in an open canvas video editor.